June 21st, the day after the Strawberry Solstice. And here is the thunderstorm.
Today is actually the longest day of summer. They just said it today on the radio.
Hold on, I'm going to get a shot of over here. See? There's the storm coming. Oh, there's the lightning. So I guess the farmer's almanac was accurate. I caught it.
We're about to get wet.
It's okay. Wow, it's moving fast.
Except for the next 42 minutes.
I just like...
Whoa! Shit! What the fuck? Did you hear the static?
I'm taping still.
Oh
I heard the static, David. It went zzz, zzz, zzz. Let's get back in. All right, here, I'm stepping in. Okay, don't say anything. Like curse words. There's the rain. There's the storm. Look at the sun over there. Oh my gosh. I'm staying right here. Look at the sun in the background. That's beautiful. I sense one's coming. Look at that! Wow, sheets of rain. Beautiful. And we're right by the Appalachian Mountains.
It is when completely dark. I keep thinking I'm seeing lightning on the sideline.
That's the waves on the parking lot there. Uh-oh, I heard. Did you hear that? Do you feel that?
What?
The balcony is shaking.
The what shaking?
The balcony was moved.
Damn. That's like the second one. Oh, you better be able to run, man. That's all I know. You're right in front of me, and I'm way bigger than you.
Okay, I'm cool.
I wonder where that hit. It's right over top of here.
I hear a rumble. I'm telling you. Maryland's funny like that. One more time, I'm coming out to see the mountains. The mountains have disappeared.
Every time you come out here, lightning bolt. See? Every time you come out.
Okay, I'm standing here.
Stay inside.
Well, maybe I should come out.
Yeah, really.
I don't know, but I hope I got it. Here it comes. Here comes the second wave, guys. Wow.
That's pretty good.
A crack of a lightning would be nice right now. God.
I think the thunder.